What is up, everybody? Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a bit of a minute, and haven't been on the hawk. Do appreciate you guys still subscribing, still getting new subscribers every day, so hugely appreciate it, and welcome to the fam. But I noticed something the other day. It looks like I lost a bolt. The first bolt that I ever lost on this thing. But I don't really need this passenger pegs. I think I'm just gonna take the pegs off. I did go ahead and check all the other bolts just to make sure. The funny thing is, too, the other day I was riding and I noticed, like, it sounded like something fell behind me. I just didn't know what it was. I think I know now what it is. Alright, I think it's a 10 mil. There's a grease on this or something. Why do they have grease on this bolt? It kind of looks nicer without it. Huh? Interesting. Like, am I wrong, or does that look like a little bit cleaner? Oh, those are nice and tight. There we go. There's like grease on them. That's so weird. They should have a Loctite or something on it. Especially if they went through all the effort of putting grease on it. Been like this for the last few days. Plus I had a lot of school, that's why I haven't been here in a while. But I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go do a little quickie. Get a little quick ride in. It's definitely wet and rainy. The hardest part is waiting. Like, I've been waiting for that bike, and they'll send updates, like they send me like an email every now and then. They'll be like, yeah, your bike's on the way, just made it to this station, and they said it wouldn't be here at the latest, like November 6th, because it's, I guess, like not a... it makes sense, you know, it is on the other side of the country from California. But I've already got like a whole bunch of things planned out for that bike. I want new tires, definitely. I think the ones it comes with are like really road oriented. I'll probably ride those for a little bit. I'll ride those to like break it in, and then I'll probably switch the tires out to something a little more aggressive, you know? I think it'll look cooler. Then I was looking at some pictures. Some people, like, they remove the luggage, the little, like, you know, top cases and stuff. It does look pretty clean that way. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. What's going on here? Well, I don't know. It's a weird one. No idea what's going on. Ooh, a free chair. Look at that. Oh, nice. It's smashing it, dude. It is just smashing it. I want to do that berm on this side, and then we'll go around this way, come back around, and just smash this berm right in here. Oh yeah, look at all that mud, just flinging it everywhere. feel like I'm on slicks right now. It's a little bit less grippy. Probably got some mud filled tires right now. Well, I think that's it. I mean, I've had my fun. What's down there? We've never been down there. Let's go check it out. Wow. Oh my god. I got like all of that all over me. Oh, it's raining hard now. At least I got a little bit of a little riding in. Like I said, I hate being stuck in the house when it's raining like this. Well, anyways, that's all I kind of wanted to do. Just a little bit of a break, a little window of riding time during this inclement weather. And I really appreciate you guys watching. It'd be awesome if y'all subscribed. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. She's muddy. She needs a bath soon. I just realized that looks like a spoiler, doesn't it? Look at that, I got like extra downforce. Hell yeah.